$92. Back to you with another video. If y'all hitting that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that right now. We just did a 2K sub giveaway. We're at 2,100 subs. Go ahead and hit that like, subscribe, and comment. Like I said, I'm gonna continue to push out content. Continue to do that. But today we got an easy mod. You know, the Daytona's right there. Obviously, I got the Hellcat wheels and the Brembo brakes are red, SRT Brembo. So today I wanted to add some red, so I got the red flares and I got the tire stickers for these set of wheels that I got. I spent about 130 bucks on all this. Came with two glues, one tire spray, and tire stickers, and I got some acetone with the dirty, semi-dirty rag. Definitely gonna need that to clean the tires. I'm gonna be taking the tires off so the way everything can be to perfection. And y'all stay tuned and get into the video. Okay, so what you want to do first is grab the acetone. Acetone cleans, what is it? Project residue. So it's gonna get all the dirt and grime off of the tire, so the tire sticker could stick properly to it. These are brand new tires, so they shouldn't really be that dirty. But you definitely want to put some acetone on here so that way it sticks better. And also too, I'm going to be cleaning the tire stickers with acetone too, so the way it gets an extra good stick. Just want to go around it a few times. Around it, so everything's clean. And you can see my rag's really dirty, so it was dirty. Y'all stay ready for basically what I got. So first I'm gonna do this. Add some glue. Make sure you get all the edges. Make sure you get all, because this is gonna be sticking. Got a nice even coat around all of it. I'm gonna put this on. You want to put it as close to the rim as possible. Close to the rim as possible. Hold it for 10 seconds. Press on it so the way everything gets an even stick to it. Even stick. And now we got ISS. Now it's the A next. So one thing I did forget too was to grab some whatever this stuff's called. Wipe the letters. You know they are dirty. Wipe them. Now I can add more glue. So once again, you're gonna just, you don't want to have a lot of it. You know, just evenly spread it. And I just use the tip of it. No homo. Use the tip of it to spread it out. It's a nice little circular motion, the way it gets everything. Okay, so as you can see, everything, really can't see, I got glue, so I don't want to show y'all like that, but I basically got everything. Now we gonna be gotta pull that back because of the way this is set. Basically, so that's what I need to do. I need a cut. So basically, I'm gonna have to cut this, and I'm gonna have to cut the little stickers. This is a brand new tire. That's one thing you should avoid doing, is getting it close to these little tread walls with the little sticker. And pick it up, the A. You want to get it as close as possible to the rim. And just hold it 5-10 seconds. And that's why I put the tire on the ground, so the way I could push on it and make sure everything is getting a flat surface rather than I'd rather push on it. So now everything is good. So that's my first one. We're gonna be adding the red flares in between.
2 hours later.
So as y'all can see, my hands are dirty. I finished putting the tire stickers on, and this is how you put tire stickers on a Charger. Oh, that looks mean. Definitely get a little walk around. I think the red complements it so much. The little flares right there. They definitely complement with the red calipers. Now I just gotta add a little bit more red to it. We'll go from there. Thinking about changing the front banner red, just to go along with the red. I'm gonna do red more to the car. So tell me what y'all think. Thank y'all for watching, subscribing, and commenting. That's the new look. That's how you add tire stickers to the 392 Charger. Tell me what y'all think, if y'all liked it or didn't like it. And thank y'all for watching, subscribing, and commenting. And we out.